Hey everybody, today we're going to try Milky Way Midnight, the to-go pack. In other words, a broken down one large bar made two and then sell it for a higher price. But this is the front. These are all the listings of the materials inside of the candy bar. And there's the instructions on how to save one by twisting the packet for later. And then here are the nutrition facts. And here's the rest of the nutrition facts. Let's go over these real quick though. Nutrition facts. Serving size 1 bar. Servings per packaging 2. Amount per serving. Calories 180. Fat calories 60. Total fat 7 grams. Saturated fat 4.5 grams. Trans fat 0 grams. Cholesterol 5 milligrams. Sodium 50 milligrams. Total carbohydrates 29 grams. Fiber 1 gram. Sugars 24 grams. Protein 1 gram. And then it goes through a small listing of vitamins. Let's open it up and find out what's going on here. Okay. There it is. Definitely larger than a snack size. But that's the top. There's the short side. There's the other short side. There's the long side. There's another long side. And then you can tell this is obviously the bottom. And it looks like some kind of imprint on some type of track. Perhaps rubber matting or what have you. Or steel grating, I'm not sure. And then that's the outer appearance. Now let's give it a shot. The flavors of the dark chocolate combined with nougat and caramel, very good. That's what it looks like on the interior. Excuse me. Typically, I really don't like Milky Ways, but with this differentiation on the Milky Way Midnight in the dark chocolate, it's very good. I give it 2 thumbs up, Milky Way. I believe it's Mars. Yes. No. Maybe. Yes, Mars. Everything is Mars or Hershey's. But awesome. This is very good. I'm going to finish this off. And I'll see you next time. Take care.